Do you need management accounts for your business? Follow my video and I'll explain why. If you haven't yet, click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content. I know a lot of small businesses struggle to get their financial accounts completed. So why do you need management accounts for your business? Follow my video and I'll explain exactly why. What is the difference between financial accounting and management accounting? Financial accounting, you'll be used to preparing your accounts at the year end. These have to follow certain accounting rules, which are called UK GAAP, and they will be filed with Companies House and also supporting your CT 600 to HM Revenue and Customs. Now these follow rules and they are prepared annually. So currently in the UK, you've got 9 months after your year end to produce your financial accounts. Management accounts are where you're probably doing slightly less detailed accounts, but you'll be doing them throughout the year. So a lot of companies do their management accounts monthly, some do them bi-monthly, some even do them quarterly. So with management accounts, there's no set definition where you have to follow exact amount of rules. What I would include in management accounts as a minimum would be a profit and loss, balance sheet, and also your cash flow forecast. And how are your budgets comparing to actual? And how are you getting towards the goals that you've set within your business plan? Now, management accounts are better when it comes to making financial decisions. They're live. They're not 9 months after your year end, meaning that they're ridiculously out of date. So in a nutshell, your management accounts will have a similar format, but it's not prescriptive, but your financial accounts will be following rules that are set by the Companies House and also HM Revenue and Customs. So management accounts will help you with strategic decisions. So in your business plan, you will have clearly defined what your strategy is, where you're getting to, and that will be linked to your personal and business goals. Now, your management accounts should be able to tell you if you're going off piece. It could also give you an opportunity to say, oh my God, this income stream here, we have a massive opportunity. And it's better because the data is live. It's not old, it's not out of date, which allow you to make decisions within your company better. And there's nothing better than taking action on when you've spotted a really good opportunity. Operational decisions. I know it's not all rainbows and unicorns. There are sometimes hard decisions that you have to make in your business. There are fires that you have to put out, and that's the job that we signed up to. But your management account should also highlight operational decisions. What's going really well? What are you struggling with? What team members are underperforming? What product line is going? And what problems do you have with your customers? So when you're looking at your management accounts, you're also looking for operational decisions on what's going well, let's do more of it, and oh my God, there's a problem here, let's sort it. So make sure that your management accounts give you the information that you need for these. Now that will likely be, and I say this a lot, there'll be certain key non-financial numbers that you need to measure that will have a massive impact within your business. Now, management account isn't just for now. This should help with long-term planning as well. Because if you've got regular management accounts over X amount of period, over X amount of years, you'll be able to really spot key trends. So if you're looking at growth, because everyone wants to get to £1 million turnover, but it may be that you can see actual lines where you could even grow quicker. If you're growing at the same rate each year and you're growing compound, your growth is going to go like that. And if you can make sure that that's actually feeds into retained profit, you will be killing it. So just remember, the detail of your management accounts can really help you when you're looking also again at long-term strategic planning. I mentioned it earlier, but make sure your management accounts are tailored to your needs. So there'll be certain red flags that you'll have in your business. Now, there was one time when for my 40th, Mrs. Hemme and my mum bought me a holiday to Bordeaux. So when we went to Bordeaux, I really loved wine tasting. So we went to this lovely vineyard and the sun was beating down. You could smell the earth and you could smell the grapes in the air. Now, at the end of the vine, I saw these wonderful roses. And at the end of the vine, I thought, what a great place to put these. To me, roses symbolise love. What better message can you have than a rose at the end of your vine showing that you've got love for your grapes? But when I actually spoke to our tour guide, they actually said, stop, it's not actually for that reason. The rose acts as a warning sign. So they can get, the vines can get attacked by bugs and mildew. And if that is happening, the rose dies 3 days before the actual vine. So that gives the winemaker an opportunity to jump on the problem, look at fixing the mildew and treating the bugs so the grapes aren't lost, so their wealth isn't decimated and they can continue to make their wine. In our businesses, what do you currently measure that is the same as the roses at the end of the vine? What things could be really alarming that just aren't happening that's going to impact and profit? And there's loads of financial data out there which will be balance sheet or profit and loss orientated, but there'll also be non-financial ones that are key to your business. I'll give you a clue. One of the key non-financial numbers for ours is turnaround times. Once we get the all clear that it's okay to start the job, how long does it take us? Because in the market, one of the biggest complaints that is said about accountants is it just took them too long to do the job. So what key financial data have you got that you can use to make sure you are wowing your customers rather than pissing them off? So the time periods to cover with management accounts, I would say best is monthly. So if you've got monthly management accounts, you're doing well. Also, these can be bi-monthly or these can be quarterly. You want to make sure that they're prepared fairly correctly, but also the important part is taking action from these, because if not, you are potentially wasting your time. Just remember, producing a set of management accounts is daunting. Now, I get that we're accountants and we do this day in and day out, but there is software that's out there in the minute that's readily available that can help you prepare these. So what could you do within your business if you're not doing management accounts to either get the software or get more out of your current software to give you better data? This will allow you to make better decisions and actions that should help your business thrive more. I really hope that you found this video of interest, and if you've got any questions at all, I'll put my link below for my Calendly. This will allow you to book a discovery call in with me for 30 minutes. I'll take on board any questions you have, and I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch. If you have a growing business or you're looking to increase the value of your business, we have various live trainings and webinars. Click the link below and see if some of these would benefit you today.